The second match is Department of Rural versus Department of Physical Science. And after that, of School Education. And after that, Department of BBA versus IMD Hot Team. And after the match, IMD First Sem versus Department of Education. After that match, Department of Math. I would like to announce once again the matches, the schedule, and the time, and on which ground you're going to play. So I would like you to all pay attention to my information right now so that you can get prepared before your matches with all your team lists, iCards, and all your kits. So I'm announcing once again. Department of English versus Department of Film and Video Production. Their match is ongoing right now in ground number 1, and department in ground number 1. Your match will schedule at 2 p.m. in ground number 1. And physical education girls versus their match will schedule at 2 p.m. but in ground number 2. And after that match ended, IMD Third Sem versus Department of Geography. Their match was scheduled at 3 p.m. in ground number 1. And after that match, Department of Physical Education versus Department of School Education. Their match will schedule itself at 3 p.m. in ground number 2. And after those match ended, Department of BBA versus IMD Hot Team. Your match will schedule 4 p.m. sharp in ground number 1. And after that match, IMD First Sem versus Department of Education. That will schedule itself at 4 p.m. ground number 2. And after that match ended, Department of Math versus winner team from Math number 1. Their match will schedule at 5 p.m. in ground number 1. And after that, Department of History versus Department of Culture. Their match will schedule at 5 p.m. in ground number 1. Ground number 2. Sorry, ground number 2. And after that match ended, Scholar versus winner team from match number 2. Their match will schedule at 6 p.m. in ground number 1. Thank you.
Oh, you told him?
Now, I would like to request to all the spectators to maintain the distance of the outline, at least 3 meters from the outline. I once again announce to all the spectators to please maintain the distance for the lineman because he's going to run through the line. So please maintain a distance of at least 3 meters.
Oh, parasite bocor ya.
Otro kamu ikut kayaknya tuh. Oh itu deh, tentang time out ini supaya
Borok ni kalau guna.